Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I tame down my thick natural hair into this sleek center part low bun, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off from freshly washed hair and I'm using my rat tail comb to create my center part. I'm using my nose as a guide for this process. Next, I'm going to go ahead and part the front of my hair from ear to ear and tuck that away with some hair clips and begin working on the back of my head first. I am free parting my hair with my hands and I'm going to separate the back of my hair into smaller quadrants. Next, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and apply some Eco Styler gel to only the roots of my hair. I'm also going to do the same thing to the remaining 2 quadrants at the top of my head. So again, apply a generous amount of water to your hair and apply some Eco Styler gel only to the roots of your hair and detangle that with your Detangle brush. So once I've finished detangling my hair, I'm going to go back with my wide tooth comb and detangle once more just to make sure that everything is smooth. Moving on to the front of my hair, I'm going to spray some water and apply a generous amount of Gorilla Knot gel only to the roots of my hair. I've gone ahead and done the other side offline. And now I'm going to go back in with my Detangle brush and just detangle everything. Detangling will be key in this tutorial, guys. So next, going in with my hard brush, I'm going to go ahead and slick everything back and begin forming my ponytail. I'm using the palm of my hands as a guide to just make sure that everything is sleek to my liking. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair tie and I'm just wrapping that around my head only twice. So I'm going to go back in with some water and just make sure everything is slicked down, but it's not. So I'm going to go back in with my Gorilla Knot gel and apply that to the sides of my hair. I am then going to follow that up with my Pantene Extra Hold Spray just to make sure that everything stays put. And I'm going to brush that down once more and secure that with some small bobby pins. This part is optional, guys. So moving on to the back of my ponytail, I'm going to split that into 2 and apply a generous amount of water and again apply a generous amount of Eco Styler gel and use my Detangle brush to detangle that. I am also going to do the same thing to the other side, and once both sides have been completed, I'm going to go ahead and form my bun. So looking at this in slow motion, you're just going to use 2 fingers or the sides of your hand to form your bun in a tuck and roll motion, and you're just going to open the sides to just make sure that the bun is a little bit wide. Next, just secure that in place with 2 large bobby pins or however bobby pins you feel that you need. So follow that up with some holding spray to just make sure everything is in place. I'm using the ends of my rat tail comb. And now I'm moving on to these small 2 little sections I have. This part is also optional. Just spray some water and some Eco Styler gel and then apply your satin headscarf for about 10 minutes. So once 10 minutes is up, it's time to remove your satin headscarf, and yes, look at this leakage. I'm going to go ahead with my OGX Healing Dry Argan Oil to just apply some sheen, and then I'm just going to add some final finishing touches, which is pretty much to slick down the front of my hair. I'm using some Eco Styler gel and an old toothbrush to just bring out these baby hairs, and yeah, this is the 360 view, guys. Alright beautiful souls, voila! This is pretty much what I do to get a sleek low bun. This is easily one of my go-to hairstyles whenever I am just feeling super lazy and I don't want to do anything to my hair, or if I am in a rush and it's wash day and I don't have enough time to do a style that requires excessive drying. Any products that I use, it will be down in the description box, so do make sure to take a look at that. And speaking of products, some of you may be asking me, why did I use 2 different gels? The Eco Styler gel, that's my baby.
I absolutely love Eco Styler gel. But what I do find is that when I'm doing my sleek low buns, because the front of my hair is much shorter than the back of my hair because it's layered, I feel like I have to gravitate towards the Gorilla Snot. And this bad boy, when you combine the Gorilla Snot with the Pantene Extra Hold Spray, your hair is not going out of place until your next wash day. Like, that's how much of a great hold the Gorilla Snot gives me. And it's not like a crunchy hold either. It's a very soft hold, but I just find that combining these two together, especially for the sides of my hair, it holds very, very well. So if you do have thick, coarse, natural hair that just can't seem to lay down with any other gels, try the Gorilla Snot and see how it works for you. Like, honestly, my hair will stay like this for a whole week. All I do at night is just put my satin scarf and my bonnet, and I wake up, I take it off, and it's so easy to style, and I would recommend it to anyone who just doesn't want to do their hair. If you are thinking about trying this tutorial with the products I suggested, I would love for you to come back on this video and just let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you. And what else do I have to tell you guys? Yes, the technique that you use will be very important if you are thinking about using the Gorilla Snot gel. And what I mean by that is certain products, when you combine it with the Gorilla Snot gel, you may end up getting white residue. And that's why I have the combination of products that I used, because I haven't experienced any white residue yet. What I would say though is if you're thinking about applying the Gorilla Snot gel to that routine, go ahead and do the OLC method instead of the LOC method. I hope that makes sense. So the LOC method, for those of you who are thinking about going natural or are newly natural, is pretty much where you do your leave-in conditioner first, then your oil, and then your curling product, whatever that is. But I mixed it up a little bit. I did the oil first, then the leave-in conditioner, and then my curling product. And so doing it in that order, I didn't experience any white residue. And so definitely try that method if you are thinking about using all of the products that I use. So yeah, I think that's everything that I had to tell you guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or just connect with me on social media, Instagram, Creole Naturel. And I'm hoping that I will see you guys in the next video, right? All right, guys, until the next time, peace and light.